Azerbaijan is a land of ancient history and vibrant culture. Nestled between the Caucasus Mountains and the Caspian Sea, it is a melting pot of influences. This blend is evident in its cuisine. Azerbaijani food is a delicious fusion of Persian, Turkish, and Eastern European flavors. Fresh herbs, aromatic spices, and seasonal ingredients take center stage. Every bite tells a story of tradition and heritage. Among the country's culinary treasures are Qutab and Dovga. These dishes are more than just meals in Azerbaijan. They represent the heart of Azerbaijani hospitality and culinary tradition. Qutab is a savory pastry, while Dovga is a refreshing yogurt soup. Both are simple to make yet burst with flavor. They offer a glimpse into the rich tapestry of Azerbaijani cuisine. Qutab holds a special place in Azerbaijani cuisine. It is a thin, crescent-shaped flatbread cooked on a saj, a convex griddle. The dough is simple, made with flour, water, and a touch of salt. It is rolled out thinly and then cooked on the hot saj. The beauty of Qutab lies in its versatility. It can be filled with a variety of ingredients. The most popular filling is greens. Spinach, dill, cilantro, and spring onions are finely chopped and seasoned with salt and pepper. Another classic filling is minced meat, seasoned with onions and spices. Pumpkin and lentil fillings are also common, offering vegetarian options. Once filled, the qutab is folded into a crescent shape and cooked on the saj. It cooks quickly, the dough puffing up slightly. The result is a crispy golden brown pastry with a savory, flavorful filling. Qutab is more than just a dish in Azerbaijan, it is an integral part of the culture. It is often prepared for family gatherings and special occasions. The process of making qutab is often a communal one. Women gather in the kitchen, sharing stories and laughter as they roll out the dough and prepare the fillings. While the basic recipe for qutab remains consistent, there are regional variations throughout Azerbaijan. In the mountainous regions, you might find qutab filled with wild herbs and mountain greens. In the lowlands, pumpkin and lentil fillings are more prevalent. Each region adds its own unique twist, reflecting the local ingredients and culinary traditions. Section 4. Dovga, a refreshing symphony of herbs and yogurt. Dovga is a cold yogurt soup that is both refreshing and flavorful. It is a staple in Azerbaijani cuisine, especially during the hot summer months. Dovga starts with a base of yogurt, diluted with water or cold stock. Rice is added to the yogurt mixture, creating a slightly thick consistency. What makes Dovga truly special is the abundance of fresh herbs. Dill, cilantro, mint, and spinach are finely chopped and added to the soup. These herbs not only lend their refreshing flavors but also create a vibrant green color. Some recipes also include spinach, adding a subtle earthy note. The soup is seasoned with salt, pepper, and sometimes a touch of dried mint. Some variations also include a small amount of chickpeas or lentils. These are cooked until tender and added to the soup for added texture and protein. Section 5. Dovga, a staple for celebrations and regional interpretations. Dovga is a versatile dish that is enjoyed throughout the year in Azerbaijan. It is a common sight on tables during family gatherings, holidays, and special occasions. It is often served as a refreshing starter, but it can also be enjoyed as a light lunch or dinner. As with qutab, regional variations of dovga exist throughout Azerbaijan. In some regions, sour plums or dried fruits are added to the soup, lending a slightly sweet and sour flavor. In other regions, chopped walnuts or almonds are sprinkled on top for added crunch and texture. Section 6. A culinary adventure awaits, exploring Qutab and Dovga. Qutab and Dovga are just two examples of the rich culinary heritage of Azerbaijan. They represent the country's tradition of using fresh, seasonal ingredients to create flavorful and satisfying dishes. These dishes are more than just meals. They are a testament to Azerbaijan's history, culture, and hospitality. For those seeking a culinary adventure, exploring the world of Azerbaijani cuisine is a must. Qutab and Dovga, with their unique flavors and cultural significance, offer a delicious starting point. So why not embark on a journey to discover the secret flavors of Azerbaijan? Your taste buds will thank you.